Hello students, welcome to this video of Dr. Shourabh's classes. As you know that we are solving previously the ACET of June 2022, and we have already solved the first 16 questions from the mathematical section. So here in this video we will solve with the rest of the question in mathematics from 17 to 20, and that will also will cover our mathematical section. So let's start with this question number 17. So it is given, a matrix is given actually. So it is 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta and 1. So we have to find the value of A when theta is equal to pi by 4, right? So we have been given A is 1 minus sin theta minus 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta, and it is 1 sin theta 1. Okay, now if we do the calculation, so it will be 1 plus sine square theta, right, minus sine theta, it is minus sine theta plus sine theta, right, and this is plus of sine square theta plus 1. So we will have simply 2 of 1 plus sine square theta, right? So now put the value of this, you have to find the value of A. So A at this theta is equal to pi by 4, so here we will have 1 plus sine square pi by 4. Okay, the simple solution, it will be 2, it will be 1, and this we have this 2 of 1 plus sine square, so this is root 2, so we will have this 3. So the answer for this question number 17 is B, is 3. So the correct option is option B. Okay, so as you can see that it is a this is quite straightforward and a very easy sum to solve. So if this, have to careful in the calculation and just have to find the value of particular A. We have got the value of A as 3. So let's move to the next question number 18. So here you can see that let M be a matrix of sin x, tan x minus tan x sin x. The value of x when this x is in the range 0 to pi by 2 is, we have to find the value of x, and it is given that the matrix M plus M transpose is an identity matrix. Okay, so M is given as this sin x, tan x minus tan x sin x, right? Now if we do the transpose, M transpose, it will be, so simply sin x minus of tan x, and it will be simply sin x, right? So if we do the addition, that is M plus M transpose, so we will have simply 2 of sin x, it is 0, it is again 0, and this is 2 of sin x, right? Now the condition is given over here that M plus, so we have this M plus M transpose, this is identity or equal to 1, we can write it like this. So 2 of sin x, right, so this is equal to 1, or x is equal to, we can write this as sine inverse half. What is the sine inverse half? Sine inverse half is nothing but pi by 6. So x is equal to pi by 6. Okay, so in the interval, so we have this when x is in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so this will be the value of the x. So our correct option for this question number 18 is D, which is pi by 6. Okay. So now let's move to the question number 19. So question number 19 is saying that if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then we have to find AB minus BA out of the option which is the correct one. So we have been given this A and B, they are symmetric matrices, right? So the symmetric matrices means we have the transpose function, this A is equal to A transpose and B is equal to B transpose, right? So now we have this AB minus BA, so we can write it as AB minus BA whole of this transpose. So we can write it as, this is AB transpose minus BA transpose, whole transpose of it. So we can write AB transpose as B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose, right? Or simply it is written as BA minus AB. Okay. So which can be written as minus of AB minus BA, right? So from here we can conclude this, that AB minus BA, this is going to be a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, as you can find that this AB minus BA transpose is coming out as minus of AB minus BA, which is nothing but a, this is a skew symmetric matrix. So which one is the correct option? The option D of question number 19 is the correct one. So this is our correct option for question number 19, D. Okay, this is also a pretty simple and this straightforward. If you have the this recall the properties of matrix, then you can easily solve this question number 19. Now let's move to the question 20, which is also the last of the question in the mathematical section. So we have to find in the question 20 the inverse of this matrix, this M. Okay, so we know what is the inverse of the matrix, adjoint of the matrix and by the divided by the determinant of matrix. So first of all, the M is given, that is 3 by 3 matrix. This is given as 2 1 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 7 2 1. So what will be this adjoint of M? This is, it will be simply minus 1 5 3, it is minus 4 23 12, 1 minus 11 minus 6. So this is the adjoint of the matrix M. Okay, now find the value of this determinant of M. So which is simply, you can write it as, this is 2 of minus 1 minus 1 of 4 plus 3 of 8 minus 7, right? So which is equal to, so this is minus 2 minus 4 plus 3, right? So this is going to be minus of 3, which is not equal to 0. Okay, now what will be the, simply the M inverse? So from here you can find the M inverse. So M inverse is adjoint matrix of M by the determinant of this M, which is simply minus 1/3. So this is 1 by determinant of M, so this is minus 1 by 3, and we will simply write the adjoint of M, that is minus 1 minus 4 1 5 23 and minus 11. This is 3 12 and minus 6. So this is our answer of the matrix, inverse of this matrix. So if we check with the options, so our correct option is C, which is minus 1 by third, minus 1, minus 4, 1, 523, minus 11, and 312, minus 6. Okay, so this is the formula for the inverse of a matrix. If you have this idea, then you can easily solve this question number 20. So that this with this we are ending the mathematical section. The first 20 questions covers the mathematical section of ACET June 22. So from the next video we will move on to the next section with the statistics section. Okay, so see you in the next video.